Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Yes, we are in the year 2023. Once again, Happy New Year. And one important thing about Terra Classic is that Terra Classic started the year amazing. I mean, you can see over $100 million has been traded on Terra Classic on the first day of the year 2023, and Terra Classic's market cap is also approaching $1 billion. Once again, we are at $926 million as of the time of trading this. Yesterday, we also saw that number really increase, and Terra Classic price also pumped yesterday, that beginning of the year. And it's amazing to see the first day of 2023, Terra Classic started the year with an amazing price, with an amazing pump. And I still believe that yes, Terra Classic volume is definitely going to hit over 500 million this year. Hitting 500 million will definitely push the market cap of Terra Classic to hit about 3 billion to 5 billion very soon. And I believe Terra Classic is definitely going to hitting 1 cent or more, and I believe the little 1 or 2 zeros before June this year might be possible, because Terra Classic are getting a lot of support from top crypto exchanges. We all know that big whales are also having interest on Terra Classic. Big whales can pump millions of dollars on a particular coin. You saw what they did with Shiba Doge. That was about a few months ago last year. I mean, pumping about $7.3 million on Shiba Doge token. Shiba Doge really pumped that period. And one thing about whales is that I love these guys because they invest so much on coins. And right now, they've been having a lot of interest. They've been pumping money on Terra Classic. We might be seeing more pump. We might be seeing different whales coming in supporting Terra Classic. And I believe Binance Panda is definitely going to support Terra Classic again in 2023. We are going to see him supporting more. And I believe Terra Classic definitely with all the support, with all the partnership that they gained last year, we are believing more partnership might be coming in this 2023. And I believe holders also will increase. They ended the year with over 100,000 transfers. I mean, it's amazing to see that. And also, the taking of Terra Classic really increased last year. And I hope to see Terra Classic taking this year hit over 3 trillion. Well, the truth is, Terra Classic burning is definitely also going to increase. So there is a tendency that Terra Classic hitting 1 cent this year is possible. Well, let's keep hoping that BTC, Bitcoin, the king of all crypto coins, will definitely hit back at its all-time price. Bitcoin hit at was actually trading at 68,000. Bitcoin hit, that was November 10. We also saw BTC hitting $68,789. At the time of recording this, Bitcoin is trading at $16,729. So BTC really lost a lot. So hitting back at its all-time price will definitely push most coins to really increase in price. Also, Terra Classic is definitely going to hit a massive increase in price this year. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.